pagbalik-tanaw sa musikang nagpaindak sa mga Pilipino noong 1970s. Ito raw ang aasahan sa concert ng Manila Sound na Music and Memories na gaganapin sa Toronto bukas. Silipin ang paghahanda ng bandang ngayon na lamang muli nagsama-sama matapos ang mahigit 50 taon sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Bago ang tinatangkilik na Original Pinoy Music o OPM.
Di na makatulog, di pa makakain.
Mayroong Manila Sound o Manila Sound Movement, tugtugan at musikang humubog sa Pilipinas noong dekada 70.
Oh goodness me, if you were there, you would have gotten into the frenzy and the fun. Our sound was unique. We composed music that was very down to earth, very relatable. It was easy to hum, easy to sing along, easy to remember.
Before 74, it was all foreign music. Nobody cared about original pop. Nobody, wala. There's no movement. There was nothing. When we started it in 74, yung Taglish nga, uy, bago to eh. So, kay mayaman ka, mahirap ka, magbabalot ka, nagtitrabaho ka sa bangko, politician ka, everybody listen to one. We were united to one.
Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko.
I really felt, emotional about it after 50 years, doing the same songs again.
Matapos ang mahigit 5 dekada, magkakasama muli ang original members ng banda. Si Manila Sound Queen Ella Del Rosario, keyboardist Lori Ilustre, drummer Jess Garcia, at guitarist Mon Toralba para sa isang pagtatanghal sa Toronto.
It's been an amazing journey for me and for us. So doing it, one more time, or I don't know what lies ahead after this performance. Maybe we'll do some more performances. Bahala na, but it's really an amazing thing that's what's going to happen now, performing here in Toronto.
Ang Music and Memories concert, regalo raw nila sa komunidad na patuloy sumusuporta sa kanilang musika.
Masaya kami na nandyan pa rin sila. Up to now, nandun pa rin yung mga music namin, nare-revive pa at saka naalala pa din ng iba.
Magsilbi rin daw sanang paalala at inspirasyon ito sa bagong henerasyon.
We want to embrace all the audience that we had before and the audience that including the millennials, yung mga anak na ng mga fans namin dati. So so that they can instill our culture, our music into their generation.
Ang patuloy na pag-angat sa musikang Pilipino, bahagi rin ng advokasya sa mga festival na pinangungunahan ni Toralba.
Yung mga new singers natin, so I was guiding them. But it's very important because OPM is us. It's our story. It's the language that we speak.
Mapapanood at mapapakinggan muli ang Manila Sound sa Music and Memories concert bukas araw ng Sabado sa Toronto Pavilion. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.